Hi friends, it's Shanna, Shop Glorious Day. I have arrived up the road on this beautiful Thursday afternoon at Market Hill behind me for the Vincent Peach Jewelry Master Class. And it is mid-70s today and a lovely breeze passing by, so I thought I'd just do a quick spin here so you can see what it feels like. We did something similar at the fall show on the day the Arbors opened up, and the Arbors is hopping. I hear music over there and have heard from friends that, gosh, a place I can't wait to get back to. Actually, several stories that I'd love to, looking forward to covering there as well. So let's just get a look. Here, the Arbors. Well, first we're at Market Hill here. The other side of the road from 237 is the Arbors. And the tents go several rows back. You can see. And here we are at Market Hill. I've shared that they've got an elegant dining room here, right nestled in the heart of Paul Michael Company, Market Hill here, with an amazing collection of vendors and places to explore. So I'm going to head in there now, but wanted to give you this sunshiny view. People are definitely hopping and out and about, and the fresh air feels amazing. So we'll continue to cover this show, Spring 2021 Round Top Show, live at Shop Glorious Day. You can also find this and other playlists, a soon-to-be master Round Top playlist at gloriousday.tv. Glorious Day TV. Alrighty, so Shanna, Shop Glorious Day. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.